Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have administrator access and the current plan name. This matters because changes may require elevation. Once done, open Settings, go to System, then Power and Sleep. Next, click Additional Power Settings to land and control panel power options. Make sure the PC is plugged in if you have a laptop, and note display and sleep timeout values so you can restore them if needed. This establishes a safe baseline before making deeper changes. Now you select the active plan and click Change Plan Settings, then choose Change Advanced Power Settings. This opens the detailed tree where most fixes live. Expand Sleep, then set Hibernate and allow hybrid sleep appropriately. Disable USB Selective Suspend if devices misbehave. Under PCI Express, set Link State Power Management to off to avoid unexpected sleep. For processor power management, set minimum to 5% and maximum to 100% for responsiveness. These adjustments fix most conflicts between hardware and Windows power policies. Finish by saving the advanced settings and testing behavior. Close the lid, press the power button, and let the system idle to confirm sleep and wake work as expected. If you see problems, run command prompt as admin and use powercug/requests to find blockers, plus PowerCug Energy to generate a diagnostic report. Make sure to try SFC/Scano if system files seem corrupted, and as a last resort, restore the plan to defaults or create a fresh power plan to eliminate hidden misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.